$2,800. Listen here. This Instagram hack right here pays us, almost forces us to make $100 per hour, even in my sleep. And you can see it right here on the video. Listen, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. And what I'm about to show you here in 2022, a loophole. Because let me tell you why. Because right now, Instagram are going through some changes here. Okay. If you're not aware, Instagram are making some very significant changes on their platform that allows you as a brand new person to expose the loophole that Wesley is about to show you right now that would allow you to make $100 per hour even in your sleep. And the great thing about it, you don't need to have 1 million followers like me. Yeah, I got 1 million, but it doesn't matter. It works for any account. As a matter of fact, in this video, me and you together, listen, we're going to create a brand new account, everything from scratch, and we're going to utilize these changes here that is public on Google. Do your own research. That's going to allow you to do $2,800 here, a little bit more. That's like $100 per hour. That's $2,400. So, yeah, I made a little bit more here, so it's up to you. Now, listen, I'm going to be very honest. You'll either make a little bit more or a little bit less. It's up to you if you follow through and just pay attention to what I'm about to show you. But listen, before I get started, smash the like button, sub to the channel, only if I give you massive value. Let me know what you want to hear from me in the comments below. I read the comments. Don't fall for the scams. Those people are crazy. Don't even entertain those people. That is not me. That's not Wesley billion dollar virgin. I'm one of a kind. I'm a king. And guess what? You are too. So check it out. So first step to do this, all you need is one post to do it, by the way. And here it is. You type in blood sugar. Okay. This is so simple. You're going to be insane, right? Watch this. So you see this person right here, blood sugar. That's 9,000 followers here. So what I can do, since he's a diabetic dietitian, this is insane, right? What I want is basically her followers, right? I want these followers. You may say, well, Wesley, how do I get these followers? You know, you said I can create a brand new account. Yes. Let me show you what you're going to do. These followers here, they have data. Every follower that follows this girl wants information about blood sugar, high blood sugar, right? Smash the like button if that's making sense. All right, just let me know because I can't really see you or I can't touch you, but I can smell you. You smell good. You smell good. Let's go. You smell like money. So check it out here. So what you want to do is you can do two ways. You can either follow these people with the new profile, and I'm going to show you how to create that, or you can just scrape the data, okay? What do I mean by scrape the data? Well, you can use a nice little software that I'm going to show you that's going to allow you to basically scrape all the data. It's called Amplify, okay? It's Instagram Scraper 2. Please don't share this. Just like the video because I'm giving you the Scraper 2. Now, listen, you got to be very careful with it, but use the free version. Don't buy anything, okay? Don't spend none of your money. Keep your money in your pocket here because it has a free version that will allow you to scrape about 1,000 to 100 people, and that's all you need, okay? I did it. I scraped about 500 people from one of these profiles here, and I did $2,800, okay? Is that cool? You with me here? So check it out. So you can type in blood sugar. You can go to a few more accounts. So any account that has a bunch of followers, right, that's legit, and that's talking about blood sugar, you want to scrape or you want to get the emails, okay? You can either go to the individual account. You can follow these people. It's up to you. Next step is this. You need to create a free new Instagram profile. Don't use your own, right? Keep your private one to yourself. And it could be something like this. Let me give you some ideas. Smash the like button if you like it. Watch this. Blood sugar be gone. Right? I bet you dollars to donuts, no one has this. Register for their account right now. Let me give you another one. Free blood sugar today. Right? See? Go ahead and register for a free Instagram account with one of those names. And I can do this all day. Blood sugar, diminish blood sugar now. Look at this. Like, go register for this because, check it out. When people go to the profile, and I'm going to show you how to do it, when they see diminished blood sugar, they're going to engage like crazy, okay? So say if you got diminished blood sugar, smash the like button if you like that one, or smash the like button if you have one in your mind that you know you're going to do right now, okay? Now, the next step, we have the Instagram profile that is free. We've already scraped the data from somebody in the blood sugar niche. The next step is just to go to Clickbank here. Easy, right? Go to Clickbank, get a free account, and listen, if you're not in the right country, just find somebody in the right country. It's not that hard. If you're in Africa, choose Canada. If you're in Timbuktu, choose Houston, Texas, where I'm at, okay? If you're in the United States of America, folks, hit the like button. Anybody in Africa, hit the like button. That's how I know that you're engaging in this video right now. Marketplace, check it out, and type in these words. Pay attention. Altai, it's very easy. Boom. Altai balance. That's what we're going to basically recommend, okay? This is how I made the money. It's $115 every single time somebody engaged. And honestly, that's how I made $2,800 in one day. That's $100 an hour here. So check it out. What you're going to do is click promote. Simple. Make sure your account nickname is here. Yours is probably Big Head. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's Big Money. That's you, right? If your name is Big Money, smash the like button. Let's go! Generate hop links here, right? Right here. Boom. Copy that and save that because you're going to need that later here. Now, look. Close that out. You're going to go back here. And what I'm going to do is give you the image. Now, I'm going to show you the image that I used, and it worked very well on the profile that I created on Instagram. Use this. And listen, you might say, well, how do I get paid? Well, you get paid quickly to the PayPal account. You can get paid to Instagram. They can transfer the money. It's up to you. All right. But here's the image that you need to use as a post on your Instagram account. Boom, right here. This is the exact image that I use. Screenshot there right now. And maybe in the link below, I will leave a copy of this image. This image is powerful, and I'll tell you why a little bit later. But take this image and make it as a post on that brand new Instagram page, okay? Now, the next question is, Wesley, how, with all these changes here, but tell me, how are people going to find me? Easy. Hashtags, okay? So say if I was going to post this. All you need to do is do the hashtags. So that's it. That's how they find you. Hashtags, okay? And remember something. If you already scraped the data, automatically when you follow all these people on these diabetes accounts, they're going to follow you. You're going to post the image right here. In the caption, you're going to tell them to take it and look in the bio. In your bio here, you're going to put free blood sugar solution 2022 and leave that link that I just showed you right here in Clickbank in your bio. And I'm telling you, all day, all you need to do is put your hands behind your back, sit down, get butt naked in your bed, and money will start to roll in. I promise you, because let me tell you why, because you might be still skeptical. Listen, every time you follow somebody, they're going to go to your blood sugar profile to see what you're about. If you have those pills or those vitamins right here, and you say, look in the bio, and they go to your bio that says free, easy solution to get rid of your diabetes or blood sugar fast, they're going to click on the link every single time. You don't need any followers at all. It doesn't even matter. People will see the pills, the vitamins, they know they have high blood sugar, and they're going to click here. I did it with a brand new profile here. As a matter of fact, this is what I want to do. I want to do something cool. I know you're listening right now and say, Wesley, I want to do this, and I can do this right now. I like this. This makes perfect sense. 2022, I need to make some changes in my life, and I need to make money seriously. I'm going to be serious and committed. Smash the like button if that's you. This is what I'm going to do. I want to give you access to a software that does everything I just showed you right now, right here. And I'm going to be truly honest and transparent. This product is called Instapays, and if you see here, it is my product that I spent over $100,000 to create. As a matter of fact, Instagram and Facebook, Meta, they're going to reach out to me. They're going to pay me $100 million for this product. But listen, to you, I want to give it to you right now in this video here. And usually I charge $1,000 for stuff like this because it's software that basically does everything I just showed you. So imagine logging into the members area. Maybe I just log in. You guys want me to log in? Smash the like button. Maybe I just log in here. Look, basically, it's going to, look, let me show you something. Basically, it's going to allow you to basically log in right here. Look here. Smash the like button if you want me to log in. I already did here. Look at this. Let me give you the look here, okay? So basically, it's going to allow you to log in here, Instapays here, and everything I just showed you, okay? Everything I just showed you right here in this video, it's going to do everything for you automatically. And I'm not going to charge you $1,000 per hour, $1,000 per month. First 10 people, that's what I'm going to do. Once you're in here, in the software right here, here's the dashboard, this is how it looks. It does everything for you, I promise you. What I'm going to do for 10 people, I'm going to basically give you access to me. We're going to be in a webinar together. So after you buy it, and it's only $17 for 10 people, that's it. This whole software is $17, okay? Once you buy it and buy everything and invest to change your 2022 and say, you know what, I'm tired of being broke. I'm tired of this stupid job. I need something that's going to pay me. I'm tired of using Instagram just to look at Kylie Jenner, The Rock, Kevin Hart, all these other people that are winning. You're going to win for the first time ever. This is what I'm going to do for 10 people. Not only I'm going to give it to you for $17, once you click the link in the description under this video, I'm going to give you access to me. You're going to see, once you buy everything, you're going to see a screen that's going to say, unannounced bonus. This is only for the first 10 people. And those 10 people are going to get access to me via webinar. And I'm going to show you proof. And I'm going to give it to you in 20 days. You will make $10,000. And if you don't make it, I will pay you $500 for the first 10 people. Okay? Does that make sense? All you need to do is go under this video here. Under the video, okay? Click the link and get it for $17. Invest only $17. Yes, this is my software. This is my program. I spend a ton of money because I want people to understand that Instagram has a great opportunity right here in 2022 to be rich. Listen, don't let another day, another year pass you by, still not making money, still not living your dreams, not driving the car that you want, not traveling the world, and so confused about how the internet works. Listen, if you're patient, watch the tutorial videos. If you're the first 10 persons, 10 people right now, I'm going to work with you so intimate that it's going to be impossible for you not to win. And if you don't win, if you fail, I'm going to pay you $500 out of my pocket, guaranteed. The link is in the description below. It's Instapays. It is the first software ever created that allows you to post and make hundreds of dollars per hour on autopilot. Just what I did with the money that you see there. Just like I did, you can do it too. Look in the link below. Click it. Invest $17. I love to work with you. This is your time. This is Wesley. $1 billion version. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Let's go. Money don't sleep.